Our adventure starts after about 2 hours flight from Houston to Cozumel. Great weather and fine local cuisine only builds up higher excitement and anticipation of upcoming dives over next few days. As every year, this event is organized by Houston-based Dive Pro Scuba Shop, owned by Debbie and Isaiah Salamia. We are staying in a beautiful resort, few miles south of town. Because of that, we will have to rent jeeps and scooters to avoid constant dependency on local taxis. Every morning, crew of Atlantis from Dive Paradise picks us up from the local pier. Once ready, we are on the way to our dive spot, making sure our gear is ready to go. At our first spot, everybody is geared up and ready to hop into this beautiful blue water. First dive will be a deep dive, about 80 to 100 feet, then about 1 hour of surface interval, and second dive to about 40 to 60 feet. We may do a third dive for the day, but that will be a night dive in the evening. Daytime, most species will rest around coral and rock formations. They will however come out when it is time to feed. Feeding family of French angelfish has attracted few boxfish who are hoping for some easy pickings. Although they are used to divers and seem to enjoy getting some camera attention, their eyes constantly scan surroundings for danger that is lurking everywhere. Hunters know exactly where to look for next meal. Barracudas, with their lifespan of 10 to 15 years, are very efficient swimmers and can move through water up to 25 miles per hour. Black margate family is not taking any chances and moves quickly under a tight ledge just to be on the safe side. Different species of grunts hanging out together under the ledge. They didn't mind my presence at all. They adopted me rather quickly, just were not sure about them bubbles making noise every few seconds. Diving the wall is an experience of its own. Divers have to watch their depth closely, as it is really easy to be pulled into the abyss unknowingly. Sea turtles are among the oldest creatures on Earth, and they have remained essentially unchanged for 110 million years. Sadly, their future is uncertain, as for every 1,000 sea turtle eggs laid, only about one turtle reaches adulthood. This is due to predators and other obstacles. This one gave me run for the money, as he descended to below 120 feet. Every so often, they have to surface for fresh breath of air. Chances are that he will swim with divers for a while, as he knows no harm will come to him. That gives everybody a chance to capture quick video, to cherish forever. It's time to finish the dive, take a little rest, and perhaps a small snack. Get ready for next dive. Our crew will take us to the next location while we all complete our surface interval, while some of us will continue to play and perform any possible water activities. Others will enjoy latest swimwear fashion show. We are ready to get wet again. As we descend to 45 to 60 feet, we will start at sandy bottom and move towards beautiful reefs, enjoying abundant reef life. Most species of coral, crustaceans and fish, from large to small, can be found at this depth. This huge conch has some heavy lifting to do wherever he goes. Centipedes, anemones, tiny critters and little fish are all around us. Tiny arrow crabs, hiding in small gaps, hoping to be never discovered. Its much bigger cousin, also hiding, and ready to squeeze in tighter spot as needed. Scorpionfish does not need to look for hiding places. Its camouflage ability makes him blend perfectly with the rocks. Do you see him? Look close. Are you sure there is only one? Flounder also can blend perfectly into the background. It will stay put motionless, believing that nobody can see it, until convinced otherwise. Peacock flounder can mesmerize observer with its beautiful range of blue colors. Stingray, on the other hand, likes to cover itself with a coat of sand, making sure there is no mistake or doubt about this background blending stuff. While they are very friendly, if spooked or provoked, they can deliver a deadly blow with their stinger. Stingrays are not the only ones hiding in sand. This little sand wrasse knows exactly where his home is. Nearby, three-spot damselfish is making sure nobody invades his territory. He doesn't mind those flamingo tongues. But this 5-foot grouper gotta go. "50 feet down the current, a magnificent nurse shark is taking a rest on a sandy bed. Due to their calm and sedentary nature, they appear very inoffensive. However, they have to be approached and handled with caution, as they rank fourth in documented shark bites on humans. Queen angelfish live 15 to 20 years in the wild. During a single spawning season, it can release as many as 10 million eggs. Spiny lobster, also known as langusta, has a lifespan of 45 to 50 years. In adult life, it molts about once a year. It takes 15 minutes to molt, but he will stay in soft shell state for 6 to 8 weeks. He will not feed during that time, as hard shell is needed for protection and ability to eat. Isaias was lucky to find intact shell. Its owner is hiding very close. Hello Toby, how are you?
Hello Mr. Diver, welcome to my home.
Toadfish can be very vocal, especially during mating calls. Some report hearing it out of water. This spotted moray eel was quite friendly and very inquisitive. Checking out my camera was no exception. I can hear in the background Amy and Sue laughing in their regulators. Pufferfish, also known as blowfish, can inflate into a ball shape to evade predators. While they are clumsy swimmers, they contain tetrodotoxin throughout their body that will cause foul taste and can be deadly when ingested. Trumpetfish belong to same family as seahorses. They can grow up to 3 feet in length. While highly carnivorous, they feed on small fish right above the substrate. Their snouts can form a round suction tube, about size of their bodies, and with quick strong suction, no prey can escape. Back on board. At the pier, we need to unload the boat. Use narrow trail to bring our gear to the pool area. After good freshwater rinse, we will have well-deserved lunch, and hang out by the pool for few minutes. Yours truly, with Jose Grignon, Fox 26 Houston News anchor. Jose is a vivid scuba diver as well, and we enjoyed spending time together. Now that we decided what we will have for dinner, let me present this fabulous lamb chops plate. Oh, and by the way, just found out, we are doing night dive tonight. As the sun gets close to the horizon, we rush back to pick up our gear and load up on the Atlantis. She should be waiting at the dock by now. Sun is already over the horizon. That gives us about 8 minutes till total darkness. Good reliable flashlight is a must for night dives. Not only it provides good visibility, but is also an important safety factor. In pitch dark water, divers are virtually invisible without a good light source. Critters that hide daytime, come out at night. That is what makes night dives so special. King crab, been hiding all day, waiting for night to come, so he is ready to have a good meal. Couple puffers been intrigued by all the distant lights. They quickly come to investigate, and realize that this is a great opportunity to find some snails, mollusks, and clams. Even big shells are no match for puffers' powerful jaws. This resting turtle wishes somebody turned off all those lights already. Lifespan of slipper lobster is unknown, but is thought to live up to 15 years. Known also as shovel-nosed lobster, has been around for 120 million years. Often mistaken for a snake, sharp-tail eel comes out in the open at night to hunt for small fish, crabs, and other crustaceans. Usually, not afraid of divers and will allow to be approached slowly. Sand divers are in the lizardfish family, and share most of the same characteristics. Octopus, the master of disguise, has excellent sight, and is one of the most intelligent invertebrates. Sadly, they mature early, and die quickly. Male dies after delivering sperm to a female, who cares for the eggs until they hatch, after which she also dies. This one tries to become part of a rock, and doesn't understand why those bright lights are still following him. back at the surface, waiting to be picked up by the boat. It is our last dive this trip. We are flying back tomorrow, so need 24-hour surface interval before the flight. In preparation for our upcoming week of wreck diving in Red Sea, Egypt, we decided to dive the C-53 in Cozumel. C-53 was purposely sunk in 1999 to provide artificial reef, as well as additional attraction for scuba divers. This 184-foot, 56 meters, minesweeper, is sitting at about 70 feet. It was built by U.S. Navy during World War II, and sold to Mexican Navy in 1962. Today it provides sanctuary for many species, and promotes coral growth. Inside is pretty tight, but additional escape ports have been cut, to ensure divers always have good exit routes. A lot of silt accumulates inside, which is getting stirred up by those ahead.
Tell you it's gone way too far. No, nothing gonna help you when it falls apart. The prophets and the priests told you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give thumbs up and leave a comment. If you would like to dive with Dive Pro, or learn how to dive, check the Dive Pro link in the description. You will be glad you did. Please visit again for the upcoming Red Sea Aggressor adventure.
Sue, let's go. That's it. We gotta go. It's over. We'll be back next year. Come on.
Call it revolution. Call it whatever you need. Make a resolution. Battle till you bleed.